Oliver is a very kind 8-year-old boy who lives in a small house near a beautiful countryside. Every afternoon, he puts on his favorite brown backpack and goes outside to explore the nature. He loves to walk slowly on the quiet paths inside the big, green forest located right behind his backyard. Today is a warm and sunny day, and Oliver feels very happy as he listens to the birds singing high up in the trees. The forest is usually a very peaceful place where nothing strange ever happens to the local people. However, as Oliver walks deeper into the woods today, he suddenly hears a very unusual and quiet sound. He stops walking immediately, stands completely still on the grass, and begins to listen carefully to his surroundings. The air feels different, and he notices that all the birds have suddenly stopped singing their regular songs. The strange sound is coming from somewhere nearby, and it sounds exactly like a soft, human whisper. "Oliver, please come here, Oliver." The mysterious voice calls out gently through the moving air. Oliver's eyes grow very wide with surprise, and he wonders how someone in the woods knows his secret name. He looks around at the big trees, but he cannot see any other people or animals hiding anywhere near him. Instead of running back home to his parents, Oliver decides to follow the soft whispers bravely. He takes a deep breath, holds his backpack tightly, and walks carefully off the main dirt path. He steps over old wooden logs and moves through thick green bushes where the sunlight can barely reach. The mysterious voice grows a little bit louder and clearer with every single step he takes into the dark woods. Suddenly, Oliver arrives at a beautiful, wide-open space right in the hidden center of the forest. Standing directly in the middle of this secret clearing is the most magnificent and giant tree he has ever seen. The tree is taller than a house, and all of its beautiful leaves are shining with a bright, magical silver color. A warm beam of golden sunlight falls perfectly from the sky, illuminating the silver tree like a bright stage. As Oliver walks closer to the giant plant, he notices something completely unbelievable and shocking. The natural lines on the old wooden bark look exactly like a large, friendly human face. The ancient tree slowly opens its eyes, looks down at the little boy, and smiles very warmly and gently. Oliver rubs his eyes quickly because he thinks he is having a beautiful dream, but the tree is real. "Do not be afraid, little Oliver," whispers the giant silver tree with a voice like rustling leaves. "I am the spirit of this forest, and I have called you here because I urgently need your help today." Oliver looks up at the massive branches and speaks in a very quiet and polite voice. "Hello, Mr. Tree, I want to help you, but I am just a very small boy with no special powers," he says. "How can someone as young and little as me save a giant magical forest like this one?" He looks down at his small hands, feeling a bit worried that he is not strong enough for a big adventure. "The golden heart of the forest is a powerful crystal that keeps all the nature alive and happy here," the tree says. "Last night, an evil shadow entered the woods, stole the beautiful crystal, and hid it somewhere dark." As the tree speaks, a small magical vision of a glowing golden heart appears in the air for Oliver to see. Without the magic of the golden heart, this beautiful forest will soon lose all of its vibrant colors, the tree explains. The green grass will dry up, the colorful flowers will die, and everything will turn into a dark, gray wasteland. Oliver looks around and notices that some nearby bushes are already starting to lose their bright green color. He knows he must act very quickly to stop this terrible curse from destroying his favorite place in the world.